In this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify to Claude in under 5 minutes so Claude can read your product, customer, and order data directly from your store. This is video 2 of my series on AI for email marketing. In the last video, I connected Klaviyo to Claude, and today we add Shopify on top. Together, they give Claude the full picture of your store and your customers, the foundation for everything we will do in the upcoming videos. My name is Marc, I'm the founder of Relane, a retention marketing agency, and we use this stack daily for our D2C clients. If you missed the video where we connect the Klaviyo to Claude, the link is in the description. If you want to follow the full series, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. So let's set it up. Before we start, a quick reminder on what an MCP is, in case you haven't seen video 1. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It lets Claude connect directly to external tools and read live data. So instead of exporting CSVs or describing your store manually, Claude pulls all the data itself, and Shopify just released their official Claude connector. The setup is literally just one click. No code, no API tokens, and no custom apps. Open the Claude desktop app, click on Customizations in the sidebar. Open the Connectors tab, and then you click on the plus icon to add a new one. In the directory, search for Shopify, click on it, and here you will see what Claude will be able to do once they are connected. Tools like search products, list orders, get product, list customers, and 21 more. 25 tools in total. Then click connect. Claude redirects you to your Shopify admin. Log into the store you want to connect. Shopify asks you to authorize the connection. Review the permissions and then click on allow. And boom, that's it. Shopify and Claude are now connected. Now let me show you what this means in practice. I open a new chat in Claude. I type one prompt, pick a product from my Shopify store and give me 3 email campaign ideas for that product, each with a clear angle and a draft subject line. Watch what happens. Claude pulls product data directly from Shopify. It picks a product, looks at the details, the variant, the price, the description, then it switches over to think about email marketing. It returns 3 email campaign ideas, each with a clear angle and a draft subject line. This is the magic with one prompt. Claude moves from store data to marketing strategy. That used to be 2 separate workflows. Now it's one chat. And because we already connected Klaviyo in the last video, Claude can also use the marketing side. It knows what campaigns you've already sent before, what worked, and which audiences you have. So if you prompt that Claude should analyze campaigns from the past for this task, the campaign ideas aren't generic. They're informed by both your products and your existing marketing data. This is the real power of connecting both tools. Shopify gives Claude the commercial side. Klaviyo gives Claude the marketing side. Together, they let you go from product to campaign in one step. Some quick examples of what's now possible. You can ask Claude to write a launch campaign for a new product. You can create campaigns for products that are in high stock or haven't been selling very well in the recent weeks. You can provide a list of buyers of a specific product and, in the next step, create a segment directly in Klaviyo without even having to open Klaviyo. I know that some of this can also be done directly in the tools, but the point here is that we are starting to use Claude as a layer instead of working within the tools. This will lay the foundation for us to eventually fully automate more complex processes in the future. We will cover all of these in detail in the upcoming videos. For today, you have the foundation. Klaviyo and Shopify are both connected to Claude. Every video from here on builds on this stack and gets more powerful. If you want to see how to connect more tools to Claude for even more context on how to save time and get better results for your email marketing, please hit subscribe and turn on the bell, and I see you in the next video.